Let's compare enumerator values. In the previous video, we talked about declaring, initializing, and assigning basic enums. So with that in mind, we can get started here. Clean this whole up so we can have a fresh example. Let's start by making an enum. I'm going to do enum, and I'm going to call this day, and we're going to have essentially a bunch of days in here. We'll just fill this out with the autofill: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we'll go till we have Friday and Saturday as well. So with all of these, we can close this off. This is our enum, and we can use this data type inside of here. So let's compare this. There's two ways we can do this. Enumerator values can be compared using relational operators, and also they can be compared with integers. So relational operators will be like the following right here. That Replit wants to autofill for us anyways. So these are what we can use. And we can do this in like an if statement. So we can say if, and then we can compare these values. We can just grab the values as so like this. If Sunday is greater than Monday, we're going to just print out Sunday is greater than Monday. Just a simple cout statement. Let's get rid of that extra bracket. And it's not going to print out anything on this run because Sunday is less than Monday. Because remember, these are at a constant integer. So Sunday is equal to 0, Monday is equal to 1. You can think of these as integer placements. Tuesday is going to be equal to 2. So let's switch this out, and then we'll also switch this out, say that Monday is greater than Sunday, and we're going to run it, and we'll see that we print out Monday is greater than Sunday. So you can compare enumerator values inside of like if statements. You can use this for while loops. You can see it's printed out right here, and that's how we would use relational operators. Now you can also compare them to integer values. So let's say that we have if, and then we'll do Sunday again. If Sunday is less than, not Monday, but we'll do 5, we're going to print this out, cout, and we'll just print out Sunday is less than 5. So let's run this. We should print this out in this if statement still, and then we should also print this out because Sunday is at the value 0. So we see Sunday is less than 5. Now if we do Sunday is greater than 5, this isn't going to work. Or even if we do Sunday is equal to 5, it's not going to work because Sunday holds the value 0. So enumerators, you can work very closely with integer values using relational operators as well with integer values themselves. If you have any questions on comparing enumerator values, drop a comment below. And if you want more C++, check out that playlist below the like button.